Then what is the difference between these two groups of a natural substance? Leather, jute, wool, cotton and water, soil, metal. Okay, what is the difference between their two groups? First is the substance is a leather, jute, wool, and another is a cotton and water, soil and metals. Okay, that means first natural substance. There are the natural substance dividation into two group or form in the two group. First group is the leather, jute, wool, cotton. Another is the water, soil and metal. Leather, formation of the living thing. Jute, formation of the living thing. Wool, formation of the living substance. Cotton, formation of the living substance. Water, formation of the living system. But water, soil and metals are non-livings. That means there are the abiotic. And leather, jute, wools, cottons are the biotic. Biotic means they made up from the living, and water, soil, metals are they made up from the non-living. That means a abiotic. First, natural substance. The substance available in nature are called as a natural substance. Of these, the substance of the first group are obtained from living thing. Substance obtained from living thing are called as biotic substance. Air, soil, water are substance that are not obtained from living things. These are called as a abiotic substance. That means very simple. First, what is by natural substance? Natural substance means the substance are easily or naturally available in the nature. It is known as natural substance. Natural substance. But these natural substance are divided into two groups or obtained from the two groups. First is obtained from living things substance. It is known as a biotic substance. Non-living thing substance, it is known as a abiotic substance. A biotic substance means they made from the living substance. That means cotton, cupboards, wood chairs, or any others. There are the biotic. But abiotic means they made from the non-living substance. That means the water, air, soil, sunlight, metals, or fuels. There are the abiotic substance. How are leathers and wool different from jute and cotton? Leather and wool are obtained from animals. Animal is a living. That means they are in the biotic substance. They are animal origin. Whereas jute and cottons are substance of the plant origin. That means leathers and wools are made from the animal origin, and jute and cottons are made from the plant origin. Do we find plastic, nylon, brass or cement in the natures? Yes, but there are the abiotic. They prepare by the industry. They prepare by the industry. That means different type. That means mainly two different type of the natural substance. One is a natural substance. In this natural substance, biotic substance and abiotic substance. Biotic substance means they made from living things, and abiotic means they made from non-living. It is known as a abiotic. Biotic means biotic means that means first is a cotton, then leathers. Cotton is from the plant's origin, and leather is formed by the animal origin. It is known as a biotic. But abiotic is the soil, another is the water, then glass. It is known as a abiotics. Next, man-made substance. Man-made substance, it is human nature to strive for newer things and to try to make life more comfortable as a result of his effort. Man not only learned to use natural substance but also began to process them to make new substance. That means firstly use of the natural substance and prepare this natural substance and formation of the new substance. It is known as a man-made up substance. Man-made up substance means firstly the use of the natural substance and process of this natural substance and formation of the new substance. It is known as a man-made substance.